Hi guys, it's Chelsea and I am going to be showing you my nighttime routine, Nomad edition, today on my channel. So thank you guys for being here and I hope you guys enjoy this one. Teamy has been kind enough to sponsor this video in that they sent me their tea samples for free, and I have always been such a big tea advocate. I love drinking tea. It's just a really therapeutic thing for me, but I seldom get to drink like caffeinated teas because I try to stay away from caffeine. So they sent me their nighttime tea, and I'm not just saying this because they sent it to me. It is genuinely some of the best tea I've ever had. It is so tasty and I cannot wait to hear your guys' opinions on it. You guys know I don't do collaborations with people very often. I've gotten tons of offers over the last year and a half to, you know, help promote different things, but I have always shied away from it because I never wanted to recommend something that I didn't truly use or believe in. So when Teamy sent me this tea to try, I tried it for about a week before I actually wanted to do the review and say what I thought about it. And either way, I was going to make it an honest review, but after drinking it for a week and being such a tea advocate in general, I definitely recommend this, and I'm going to recommend it to you guys too. And if you guys do try it and use my code, get that 15% off, because who doesn't want to save some money? And let me know what you think about it. They have a bunch of different kinds. They've got decaffeinated and caffeinated ones. I will definitely be keeping this tea as a permanent part of my nighttime routine, but they've got tea blends that do a ton of different types of things. They've got ones that help improve your gut health and help improve sleep or give energy. They've got things that reduce stress and help you focus. They've got so many different types of teas that just help with daily function, and why wouldn't you want that? The cool thing about it is that it is a loose leaf tea, and they do include a little tea tumbler or infuser in there. Mine's blue, I love it, and you can pick out which ones you like. So if you guys are wanting to check them out, I will put their website name right here on the screen, as well as a link in the description below. It is www.teamyblends.com, and do not forget to save yourself some money and use my discount code VICARI15. It will save you 15% off, as I already mentioned. I definitely like to take this time to edit, and I'll sit on my bed with my cup of tea and I'll edit videos, or I'll watch Netflix, or I'll answer emails, or whatever I need to do. After dinner, we usually like to clean up a little bit in here so that we wake up to a clean camper. So we'll do our dishes from our dinner that we just made so that we have dishes in the morning. You know how it goes on the road. You can't carry a lot, so you kind of got to stay on top of stuff like that. We'll also take our showers and wash the day off in the bathhouse, wherever it is. Bean and I have also been doing a lot of like journaling and reflections and gratitude lists. So we'll sit down for like a solid 30 minutes and just write about our day and talk about 10 things that we're grateful for and reflect on the best thing that happened that day and what we could have done to make that day better. We also really try to stay avid learners, so we like to read and dedicate time to reading every day. Currently, she is reading The Bell Jar, and I am reading another book on Wicca right now, as well as that book that just came out recently called 7 Brief Lessons on Physics. Both are really cool, and we just like to incorporate that into our nighttime routine as a way of winding down. I'll drink tea, you know, it's just a time to relax. If we haven't already, Bean and I will work on our zines. We always like to try to do about 2 zine pages per day per person. That way at the end of the week, we're not like scrambling to get stuff together, and it's actually something that we can look back at and be proud of because we put time and effort into it. We'll also plan our route if we haven't done that already. We don't like to plan too far ahead, but we definitely like to stay ahead like a state or two, or maybe like a town or two. within that week. I'll also take this time to update social media and lurk all of my friends back at home to see what they are up to. And at the very end, right before I go to sleep, I'm probably playing Animal Crossing on my phone. That game puts me to sleep every single time. I don't know what it is. It's just, yeah, it just puts me right to sleep. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me get unready for the day, how I wind down, how I relax, and I'm stoked to present like one of my first promotions with you guys. Let me know how my routine differs from yours. If you end up getting this tea, tell me which kind you got, because that's exciting to me. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It really means a lot to me. Follow me on Instagram. All my social media is in the description box below here, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.